Hey there, gardening friends. Today I'm diving into something super exciting, raised garden beds. If you're looking to boost your backyard garden game, raised garden beds are a fantastic way to start. They offer better control over soil quality, improve drainage, and make gardening a lot easier on your back and knees. Let's get into some top tips to perfect those raised garden beds in your backyard. First up, location. Choosing the right spot can make or break your garden. You'll want to pick a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Most vegetables and flowers thrive in good sunlight, so keep that in mind. Also, consider proximity to a water source. Trust me, you don't want to drag heavy hoses all over your yard. Next, let's talk about size and materials. You don't need to make them huge. 4 feet wide is perfect because you can reach the center from either side without stepping on the soil. As for materials, untreated wood is popular and safe. But you can also use bricks, stones, or even recycled materials. Just make sure whatever you choose is durable and non-toxic. Now onto one of the most crucial aspects, soil. The soil in raised garden beds needs to be rich and well-draining. A good mix is about 60% topsoil, 30% compost, and 10% potting soil. This mix provides nutrients and ensures your plants have a loose, well-draining medium to grow in. Remember, healthy soil means healthy plants. Another tip is to think about crop rotation. Don't plant the same types of plants in the same spot year after year. Rotating crops helps prevent soil depletion and reduces the risk of pests and diseases. A little planning goes a long way here. And don't forget to mulch. Mulching helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and can even add nutrients to the soil as it breaks down. Organic mulches like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves are fantastic options. Finally, consider adding some aesthetic touches. Raised beds can be both functional and beautiful. You can paint the wood, add decorative stones, or plant some colorful flowers around the edges. Making your garden visually appealing can be motivating and enjoyable. So there you have it, my top tips for creating perfect raised garden beds in your backyard. Remember, a little planning and attention to detail can turn your backyard into a productive and beautiful garden space. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.